beboa ama bibia ko etimi ama the Black Stars of Ghana Hong Kong no ye di ere mu so etimi edi ama no so fio na orwaniko ekokuchemu ewo the Ghana Premier League no na so ye na didi nkoma ma oze nei niema na nkomodidie no yen captain Andre Dede Ayu enso aba be kan bi se wo se ye nyina support ye league no na eyeyan ye dia no ye ka ho sempe beboa na Ghanaian football na kwenimu nkomo se na capito enso eri atuja.
Always, not from today, since I was a kid, I've always been a fan of our Premier League. You know, when we were growing up, the stadiums, the city, everything will be waiting for Saturday for a big game to come, whether it's Hassan Kotoko, Oli and Haas, or all those type of games, and I grew with it in me. So it's a league which I personally admire, and when I was young, we always also look at it and say, one day maybe I'll also play in the Ghana Premier League. I think Ghana football is progressing. When we are able to watch the games on my phone, I'm able to live, to watch the games I want to watch, to watch ITU. That's another important, club for me. It's important, and I feel that being able to see that I'm personally able to follow what's happening in our football, and that's great. And that for me, being outside, being able to follow the league the way I want to. If I don't have training, I don't have a game, and there's a game and I want to watch ITU, I want to watch Haas, I want to watch Kotoko, I want to watch any team. You're able to watch it, and that's a great achievement, and it helps also the local players to profile themselves. And so I think the league.
Eltiano ya command Ghana na Jesse captain abomodi timira tujani na bwanyo onko Iñaki Williams so din komakra erafa ye league no so say obomodi eri tuja.
I am Iñaki Williams. I'm from Bilbao. I play in Athletic Club Bilbao. I'm here to promote Ghana local league. I want to promote because Ghana local Premier League is very hard. It's very difficult, and I promote to all the people to watch the football games. Ghana League bring back on the left and enjoy the Ghana people and enjoy the young talent.
Eltiano ya command Iñaki Williams abomodi timira tujana ama nano na me confirm erema say buta ni omoche erema division 1 for Premier League no omode aba teams na sha say jeje to join Uzampa bibieni Gold Stars akwakoje omode enyo omon Kobrikum Chelsea so abomode omon so na akwakoje omode ani nyina mo eboa ma na ma dedadi kama pa so no etimi edi omon tisa pepe era mun komo no isieti a ye di eram etimi era still on the league abedan gutete as you only said this season league na ebo no eye competitive papa na league no necessarily name city no nyaade keto akra say na Zlatan abomode de nkomo na tuja.
Per se, no make us win the most competitive league I'm witnessing what me like. Because now Obi and India Obaji League, Obi apart from Kutuku Royal and the was cementing the place for relegation, Obi and India local relegation. But mathematically we bet like I say Mediama EPG because of Senior League. And local relegation from let me say from 9th to 17th. Obi bet local relegation.
Eltiano ya command Zlatan abomodi timere Romani nebwa mani amadeda ye pray timi ede Emma Evans Adoma kon redu na the gomonga ejamogbo ejuma etimi ede ma Karela boboko no na Evans na okọ Karela ejuma ya wuyi eso eni na ono koroko contract nsensem no se na sitie loan ne kwa abesia aba beto aso ede amakro bia na enchimusi no no so ebomodi ede mai
maybe yeah there was some few months ewomu ansana Abanedi Empathy. Me team player. Uja me kwai se me kwato mani to ade hu baby foforo. Enti the first time buy near ma to yie ma me no enti se o se me family ho age me ma me ho so near ma bebe ho. Enti season end there. Me sana ko baby me free buy. Na me no ma kwatena se na nyina ya dwen ye future. Se ebe bua se ye beto aso so was say yen to na me pacho ni nyina ade ne akoma kroko be kromu na ye jai ho kwa se be ya David enye ne David so chapata say ye so shia ne pa yonko bi mu ayonko fo ne timata na wenti e be ye boko mi ya me komiti because one am free.
Ati anu ye command wa pomode timere ja ni na meboa ma ne amadeda din pretimi ede ema wa erira mo ene adia ti sa prepe na sa nkomo no so esieti a ye di tudwe timere ma Kevin Osiasibe o kan players and penalties no mo kokobọ se no nkran emra 11 on the sene bofo akwata no ede ebo ani na Kevin yazunia Osman Zakai techima as na nkofo ehwehwe na what one save there
no so dia gang bi o bi say bi o mo say bi mu na o so mo tisa kwa na we say na bete no akasem on say dia for akoma bia due to dia say enti fan no ana mostly support me bi na ya enti ne bi mo de kasare obedu tichima na so ba obi ani wa obedu aye ni bi asa na o mo kano o mo na hwe so o mo player ono na de boy a o di eturu team ni na ya boy one na ya boy then me say penalty and I don't think say obi be and then say or like can for say yeah be million more the casabe so me take my phone no I don't think so be any be
tiano your command Kelvin Ose ACB PK abomode timiere atuga global ICM na OTHM qualification maka dia chose ne okra certificate bia nya bibia na abomode timiere nya adwuma na bibia be nya adwuma na wabomode ase nya ntete pa na global ICM also okọ na kokoto adisua no so na degrees out on edebe ma ho any master's degree level 7 diploma accounting and business occupation health and safety management logistics and supply chain management education management and leadership ombeboa na yero wa facility any bachelor's degree and level 6 diploma no accounting and finance business management studies information technology health and safety management and project management ni number na yedi hujuma higher national diploma level 5 diploma no ombomodia programs in business studies computer science and cyber security human resource development and journalism and media studies ye Robert Farm na project management no and also me for university diploma and now level 4 diploma programs no your business administration office management and after education and training management and health and social care tiko kokoramo global ICM na yemwa emfa fantiti e panu mokwa hostel facility no momo de ne ye gamaka zenkonko da bibia obonze o wa na light adum na nsungunsu rio afiso ewa nsu atwa geza na dwena abesua de no na ukita wayi oledibi ne kana zo ukita bokiti na de na mupezu na abeba kra no wabre ngede sua de na twa mo ne ntesa bibia jejema abeda ho ne sua de wasumbejo na ne makuira man tu fechichi na oba number ni 0244 764797 0244 764797 0249 225504 0249 Kumasi apo runabout the when ya chemo se Pekwano Skins Campus no obomode na wenyo na aboa na ne ma deda yi so no etimi edi ama kamaka parativo no na call beaters baby girls na me come for the man on zeboso me ne so a ya na ade ne ba fom pa ena san sisi o kama pa fili na ba ha bamba afi no ne nuaba wodo na ne ma bi ne aka bo ma dia yentu ba obonze na wanu ma toso udidi kama pa di ziade mu pia ya munjai se mokoje ba ko na abamani so adenche na wanzo boys na hwe mu baby no ya afaje aperitivo na nsisi na niam nkoye pemfa ma nyo monko okini mu diabetes dunya paparativo ni bi na bon timenya ye papa no mu fie ko animu no enjibi no mo no ma akwada na fu ahye no ebe ye refi o ye panyu didi wie na obo hwehwe ani na yi refi supermarket drinking bars awdo na onya bi upedodo na FA Masters Company Limited Obasanjo Road on Bena Crack Girls SHS no 050 5536 050 5536 na 024 5734952024 573495 Kumase oba video ma ubenye bi ana fa number 055 3947447 055394747 and a 05433852710 054338527 na yemwa na nyamande da ye kama panso no entimi emfama na bibia enkoyi so entimi emfama na mo betwe unroma www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh wenya edunfie dun wotwe de ko enimu akọ na kokọ che wadwen is kaketwa bi uri benye ska botwu na omabomode atena kese jackpot no obedu hina 1 cedi 50 pesos or to 17 matches achi e fa 16.5 million Ghana cedis e yon kwa de tosumenu 13 selected matches or 1 cedi de fa 2.7 billion en kanisika no onkwa de kwata ne tapping jackpot ya dodo ho apia goalkeeper ndem odiane so kan shim 50 pesos na de kwefa 5,000 Ghana cedis onkwa odi entu bedu hina fa obo betu ne ye the sky aba ye the aviator na emezo open one dance dia bitalu to be checho mu pa yo o ni madina ni so na afa maska ndi rom ne mboa na ne manko omo top up no ya enya de charges bia wo mti ye tentem na bo modena jiska kese enya football nko ene ba ne basketball cricket golf and afi so no tini ni dia kakarina obobo modi edi ojuma beto for the love of the game amujuma omobo ne ade ano eden papa na nei eye legend Tony Yeboah ne da na opimpana kansem kakra era fa Ghana football ma yehwe na yinti nsem obo modi edi tuja
me anka bibi am fa Ghana because me follow football no the Ghana football just say obi am say ase beginning no na football na de me ma wo mu na from beginning no manti o ti am say home punishment na te say no face Bible ne sane ma bebre ne sane football so dey o dey sane ma ne bempe now we say football you say no dey only advice am the mom say young go back man and training kola for you for na young go back to the coast teams no na fi can develop football no but yes apa dey say no the better mo be bit me top players o ma be train me be the better dey my
Etiano ye command legend Tony Yeboah abomodin etimi edi atudwane ne boa manema dadin pa etimi ermana para games no kramo ma me enjoy video we ne kakra na me koba mabana maba bidin ko ma unze ne bibia ye set ama niema dedana kwama the wheelchair basketball tournament no Accra 2023 no African Para Games no ewram no bara yenti wimra ye bape na yabomodin abobo draw no so
هيا بنا لنعيش الألعاب الإفريقية أكرا غانا 2023.
Living the first African Games Ghana Accra 2023.
Vivez le premier jeu para-africain Ghana Accra 2023.
هيا بنا نعيش الألعاب البارا الإفريقية الأولى أكرا 2023.
هيا بنا نحضر الألعاب الإفريقية في غانا 2023.
Vivez le premier para-jeu africain Ghana Accra 2023.
Elti eno ye African Power Games Japanina etimi akoso na se de medi kan bomode ete ho etimi ericho no ne yoru ani chema ya bomode a na jeze wheelchair basketball tournament no eno ebetimi ewram no ye de draw no aba bebaze na uram a mame rewram kakra na meni nkomansa na majama sarebodu abomode etimi ato aso nti day 1 no ohe matches a ebetimi akoma Ghana ye ma no eno ye on the 4th September yeni Morocco man de bebo ni 4 September krona no na Ghana ye mema no enso bi dwom na so no mo Uganda etimi edi aboani na aboa manema etimi akoye kama pa etimi edi amomonti draw no owe se de hon komo no esietie ni di erirama otumu se hye papa Ghana mema no ye bomodin a eni ho no ye kokoto eti o Ghana ojeya Uganda ho no ma yerese bibia abedi dadin so no etimi era ma mu komo no eno no na megirisi e baba betransi wia na yeberu amana abo manema kwen na mo hye no so on the 4th September ena matches na Egyptian Remo the basketball wheelchair one no ohwe series yeti a Ghana yema na bo Morocco na mema no so no ebo Uganda na abo manema didadi azarbodu famira mu kakre na yeni nkomo no be sima na kakre bi na yehu sere ne mesiti ma onze cast reject East Africa application for stay of execution na emeze on Felix Afenejan edi fami din komo kakra ewo Dr. Amuzu Asoye na fatwa so mame
abu onse ye dwumadi a yedi ne dada eduane a yedi certain lifestyle changes ama and then che na emrante ne mbaba ewa no omo enya stroke yare no na stroke yare ne kanwa na ese wo nipedua no sene wo si di udwuma sifa se meto mensa meto menan mebie ma no na makasa no there are certain functions a unya stroke a elemetel enti wuntimi ndi udwuma no sene fata ye wo partial ye wo full na sene be ya obesiesie ho e de akoatia stroke yare no enu ntina make am for Dr. Amuzu Herbal Clinic e de ama maka cho say de di kan titru oye emema doctor by no so e konchen a osan so hwese ya pomuden enso betimi esipi na esitenti ende me ton sa afro say share Dr. Amuzu e wotafo inshaye so Amuzu Junction ho oben Moro Market on sa ebeka no utie me na person of Dr. Amuzu a 0247 776743 0247 776743 o Fred Dr. Amuzu o how bi a wo bi ano fatu nanim na nyankopa adom obehwe no wetimi esi ano de ma titru mema na nemu ntimi mmo adwuma no ennemu yare bia na se how bi a wo no fakosue Dr. Amuzu the pennies doctor obehwe no wetimi am make sure say openal health ebetimi akoye enso e de ama na se wo so wenye nigye wo fie wena nigye enso abonten ne adwumam na bibia so akọ kama enso e de ama abu na wo kan say Tony Eboa so follow your football
no this year football
see follow golf saying football
I don't play golf on chain football
yeah or active golfer
okay
to follow golf
episode bi ba ya na ubuna ba mu kroma
yeah gola yeah and see you follow golf pa nti enye so odin draw
okay
on follow your game no opa oni ni nyankita hudi a oni ni nkomo say why na e ba beje Ghana league ontimi nkancho menya sure
igina kasi
abu the good screens here Ghana Football Association on my website na 4 days ago and this publication by say CAS any a committee of arbitration for sports a court or motna say can a agudie munsem and as a court of arbitration for sports or ma reject Era Africa application for stay of execution na yam komo ben en community through ejina abranti FN say Felix Afenajan na Era Africa Football Club no omo ede eyi call CAS or say anka CAS entna asem so nanka decision yedin kan ebua ana aba out from the GFA's player status committee enforced by the appellate committee no and CAS and apply a stay of execution na say see ya de PS ne kan be di dwuma de CAS and fan Santos so ekopim se case anka say wo between Era Africa any the wisest ne Ghana Football Association no ye be kenwe ansana se sikatwe bi wo ma o makoso no matwia na CAS tenase no se ogitum sa enye ye eni se na hyehyɛ ne tie no de ye buaye from the player status committee appeals committee G2 no and the Era Africa for no omon koso no omundi omudwuma se ne fata omuntie sika no emfama the parties involved GFA begene de na fe Era the wisest FC and so ag omodie nemom case na nkasa de at CAS level case ne CAS 2023/A/9517 omobehwe no makasa asem no at a later date but so far they are supposed to pay the money which is 62,000 euros to Sunyane the wisest FC and then FN so ometia 10% of a transfer fee omo transfer financial to Romano and so they are the Ghana Football Association never ne say na dia ba bedru case na nkasa ni a case abubaba right from 2019 adeba now in a year 2022 precisely 18th November and a decision free player status committee ho eba abonten now the introduction speaks to a quite fast work case no eba ni na say Felix Ohene Afenajan na osina kan edema the wisest na ono asanso wo eye opanyi kweku danso ne nsem ono anohwe no etete no na Milo competition ase ana eye Mr. Oliver Tahuna or expressing interest now that was the beginning of the issue between the parties in this case enti opanyi fensa Mr. kweku danso through the wisest FC from Sunyane petition at the command player status committee enti and your friend the petitioner and a respondent no Era Africa FC and Era Africa Cultural Academy, two different entities. Enti omode omonsem kokotu bia se omo any Era Africa for ni nyankita hudie so omo transfer Afenajan na sankita hudie no womode nhyehyeye bi gu akwemu a de esefata se Era Africa for ni ye no omo nyeye na se omo ye bu e de form so enti omo de omo nsem ina keka bom documents so ekeka won ina no omo de koja the player status committee of the Ghana Football Association omo so saka krata no omo si omo hwehwemu ehun se nyoma ebesi akọ and they invited say Era Africa for no omo mra Yawo EACA, Era Africa Cultural Academy, and then EAFC, Era Africa FC. Omo involved in this particular case. Enti omo saka petition no efe no etrese omo the course call Era Africa for culture for ne ho. Na omo free omo numbers no enya de omo saka omo send omo email eton sa free omo say omo mra na omo ntena say ending komo. So the first sitting omo kan on a financial case no was on the 20th of October 2022. Omo bae no Era Africa Culture Academy for ne there. Omo anchor say appearance and I say omo inputting an appearance. So be no buy. But Era Africa FC for ne there was somebody present in the person of Miss Kathleen Atta. Now Miss Kathleen Atta bae no ne some of kind say ono ankasa there or be represented on the basis of law. Era Africa FC. Na EACA for ne there onimo bia enti ontimi enginem emfa mom. Obae no ono obechi tum say eyampa Omoto Felix Afenajan for a fee of 6,000 Ghana cedis from Sunyani the Wisest FC. But on Okrano, or can the twice say there was no onward transfer fee BR of 10%. Ombeti Adiama Afenajan. Na bibisa enya dia ewom. Ana committee ni bisa say na unim Era Africa Culture Academy for no say derby. Na unim openi bi efa ne Siraj Ahmed or say derby menim no enti meme ntumi nka bibia enso emfa ho. Enti in common court to why a say and there needed to be an establishment of the fact that Era Africa Culture Academy no any Era Africa FC no kwan ben na committee ne be faswa ombedi omujuma enti committee no two meeting no at the 27th of October 2022 na no ma parties ni na say omombra with omo possible witnesses says obi odi dance here say inkita undie bi sa so na face so enkrata e back sa transaction ni na omo enfambra na aka kakra bi ma second setting no abaso no ana parties no assemble case no Era Africa FC for trust kiyentu nkonkosheda EAFC for no omo kese kiyentu we no fan nkonkosheda because omo witness bi anko omo de neighbor no eda eba be chima we na ba no ana otu kwan entenya de a oya available ana face so EAFC for no sanso card bi on e de to aso say omo kra no behind the scenes omo ne Mr. Kwaku Danson edi nkomo send ye be ya omo be settle issue no outside the player status committee omo jurisdiction enti sa no ema committee no etu meeting ni bion e record share the 3rd of November enti 3rd of November no afei de EFC for ba omo the lawyer e kan ho bai lawyer ne bai no ana opeja ne nsa objection my lord na se ne nsem o kan yina ne se 1 ye ka Era Africa Football Club on Era Africa Culture Academy ne nyepe na petition amode bae no maka ni na abomti so omotena ase ka asem na enye yie ene ye 1 osanso peja bion ka say the way almost ye dealings ni way no they need to separate the entities and deal with them accordingly enti lawyer ne nsem odi to bia na committee ni bem no omode omogitum say eyade a omo enye the same but they are also not treating them as the same. Na in between the transaction period no eyade they interchanged Era Africa for be send the transfer agreement na oma say fa we no fa koma FC no fa we so fa Culture Academy no enti ano na ma di ne bebubo mte sa de a omo je pene say omo beye petition no for na oma tonsa e de afre omo say omo mra enti omo bobo hu ye de omo beye ni na no na say fata say there needs to be another setting and here 9th of November enti omo tonsa afre omo 9th of November no then EAFC for no a survey notice say omo holding on proceedings no ma omo nto aso kra na omo no they have several bones of contention e was omo settle enti so omo hwe no man clear dia enya de omo betimi ato aso with the proceedings enti omo cite here items 5 6 7 9 and 11 of the appeal for stay enti omo ye no e ma committee ni nya abotre etrechre mu e ma bibia enso etimi ekoso enti no echi ansa na Era Africa FC for ne beji atuma omo edi omo written response ede kokoma the player status committee omo response no omo cite several instances whom say 1 omo see suit no a change to read Sunyani the Wisest FC Limited versus Era Africa Football Club say initial one no na Era Culture Academy no asesa they have issues with it no issued a new complaint and omo a short notice say omo written response ne din kan ba no and am so omo yes san e wo no omo the new complaint form by ya omunya a short time say ometro omo statement of defense and I say omo response and our face omo say complainant na efe no chairman Kweku Danso no onye the same as Sunyani the wisest na mpo okwa hwe Sunyani the wisest for no omo directors mu a Kweku Danso nkan nti ono kra tumi ben no wa ono di Euro Africa for no odi o mobile player status committee into where issues omo raise ya no because nefe ne mra kra o ma hye say enya de etimitua eye onward transfer fee enti we no de ensem no mo keka na say omo dwumadi omo di ni na no enya de a omo di tuma eye Olivata ono so eye one of the co-directors of Euro Africa Culture Academy no ono so the response by the response nim another by say Siraj Ahmed ne de onim no ni nua Kathleen ne koka so onim no ni nua Kathleen wo EAFC Olivata wo EACA osi one Siraj Ahmed na ebom ye dwuma na omo ntema sei enti ono kra no enya de oni ne de dwuma bio no ono kra EACA ne kra no enya de osan so de dwuma bio ensem o kan no ana Mr. Attack so ka bio say onya director and a shareholder of EAFC emom nebusuani bi director wo ho but enche se ono ohodi position bia under EAFC enti eno sa na omo bone so bo a enye yie ensem ba ko de bai no ana afi osan so de ba bio say na ono koko hu afinaja no ewo Milo tournament bi wo Sunyane enti oye checks no hu say abofra no ya register under Sunyane the wisest through Mr. Kweku Danso enti eno na mo ne Mr. Danso enya nkitahudie na ono ankasa sanso gitum se ono ano ka kire ne co-director Siraj Ahmed no se onto ho na mo no mbisa se kwan ben ano betimi afa branch ne dia ba we no eye July 2019 se dem kan ka kire se we ne start July 2019 enti nkitahudie ne nkomo omodidi ni nyina no ose omo send a transfer agreement e de koye but omenya response bia but on the part of anasa on the account of Mr. Danso no osi the entire response no omunya from EACA no omode reply ne kokoma EAFC ne say Mr. Olivata ene kai say oni FIFA enya issue bi a FIFA investigate EACA nti omofa response ne famra EAFC now Mr. Ataka ni na no osi anya no credda oni Mr. Kweku Danso enya san komo no wan kan che ne so send the response bi an famra eni sa no enye ni ebi bo na Mr. Olivata utia 10,000 euros Edema chairman Kweku Danso abra case way eba player status o say no cre na no cre because boy no osa player all board yes a transfer hun sensemba ahwa na affecting nti ono penny ye nti ana che so okọ on the side okotu asa 10,000 euros na de man no cra no otie sika no otie asanka Mr. Danso ne ebusuafo na nche na chairman Danso agiska na wetia so ebusuafo na nya bia no cra cause issues nti a amani o man so ayebasa nti Mr. Olivata response to the committee committee ne tenase ana ohwehwe mu ni na no one contesting the way of Mr. Danso no they tackled capacity in what capacity na Mr. Kweku Danso educates neighbor player status committee enchechemu committee ne mind say he has the capacity ne say emfa ho say onye a director I register no under the registrar general department say Oni Sunyani the youngsters na ene dia na devices na ene dia na asesen. E dey say bia Asante Koroko. Omo ya register omo as directors no. Be you sure say nana ya mponsa nka ho. But obetimi to anamon in the interest of Kumasi Asante Koroko because hold a management position or a certain position a man is out to me. Na empo abro omo de petition neighbor no. Na lawyers of the wisest for omo sign so omo endorse. So the lawyers can even represent Bobo Kwefense said the YSSNT Omochema he has the capacity. Jurisdiction. Nagana yamuna mo se me enje 10% onward transfer fee. Na Sunyani the rises cry ye register ye nye so e kwan ben na mo be fa so me ka na mo eji nchechemu no omo di ni na ba nti asem ne to fa ne se omo wi asem no omo ba beji tu mu se one EFC for no omo kra no omo ntua player ne 10% commission omo betua de ama the Ghana Football Association na omo ankasa so age atum se afinaja no omo ton no 800,000 euros and dem AS Roma Boboko no enti 10% no utifi mebeka sen 80,000 Ghana cedi 8,000 euros I was say EFC for nitua as 10% commission to the FA for transferring the player outside. Two, Otesa amount ni free 800,000 meka 720,000 euros. I was say omutia emu 10% as the onward transfer fee per the transfer agreement no omutia edema Mr. Kweku Danso and Sunyani the wisest Boboko. Na nam say omodi nketua 10,000 euros dadanti ene sadia omonfa 62,000 no enfanka ho na empeso. Now decision omo arrive here no, they came at this particular decision when omo who say the defense na openi Mr. Olivata ni EFC put up no na enhodi grounds and I say entimi and convince omo enough enti no mo arrive at this particular decision. No ana Mr. Olivata when chase kana no de kopie mu o casa or file for a stay of execution casa so eden and sato so say dey be cause no chase kana na case ne dey at the right time ye be hwe ne akanti ye ne kwaku dance wedding komo chairman so nya abotre ebo asem ne tofa e kirekire mu na ne nkire mu no esene media ne nti yenkotie
Obami School, Kumplezi Secondary School. Supazona Sunyane. Ena Yania Samiminta, Usunyane. Na Oscar Tuma Oliver. Inti Ubihua Polano, no yes, Opa Polano. Inti agreement in this say, ya the Akolani ma or Mumra or Mutia 6,000 Ghana cedi. That demand the wife. She has a team no, she a tall player no. O parents no, our show no, and our Polano 3%. Na agreement ni say so fa always transfer dia na akula be kono ye club no ewumu 10% into okoye no mo koton no ma ruma na wo so my 10% it 10% no ye no Oliver na nka say de ton akula na nkyere me into one of first say ya ton akula nti ye club no o my 60,000 Ghana cedi and team no so no me na madam for Germany me na ye team madam for no ba na ye say the case no ebema a lawyer, agent, you know, you say, for player passport, you need to Oliver Ton Akolana Maruma, 800,000 euro. I was saying, no, my 80,000 euro. If you want education, a player status committee. Committee in the trans, the idea documents to call ordinary by any win. Next, I say, almost say, Oliver Defo. One tears here and Okoya appeal. And appeal Musubutiano, Ninum, one tears here, no, there are some call cast, and then the cast at the Abbasses. Can I also Tiamaino? Untiamaino 10% so, and Fama a GF. After giant or by me school.
And Abu Nessa and then one the top fan. So there were two bones of contention back on a transfer letter, transfer agreement. Smartly under the response now, a EFC for at the core, you know. Omoka say they did not state in the transfer letter so omobetia any 10% onward transfer fee.
Oh, okay.
But it was captured in the transfer agreement. But our lawyer no presenting the case Ebeboano. So Omo requested for the transfer agreement and it was duly captured. Set 10% onward transfer fee.
Fantastic. As I would do. Very, very interesting. I go Bro kakre na anawa mami oda mami jabi bia ma bishop na tranche yo MSM sheda
no man na ofa na emwo
me sheda mu ni azo uni aye mre kakra
no man na ekọ we dey budu say once sawa bra board na wanya ya ebe haw jai wadafo ba fi a obedem o ya kan sa no de enkopi goso for district regional capital no na abebio ne Ghana National Fire Service for staff ni na ya chamu pa modwumadi amodi ho no yate asem bi ekowe wase nsem de ati bebre na bi esre allegedly sa 60,000 devices you 20,000 it's
60,000 edi can buy
20,000 I'm for 10,000 Emma Juliet afinaja mami
okay
I'm for 10,000 Emma Sami Minta
oh okay
it is alleged say 10,000 Drew Juliet no a dane mobile phone.
I no one at the coy.
Allegedly Olivata.
Oh.
Sami minta de no so 5,000. Now nintia case we edru ni edru. We can win af Nigeria na World Cup ni bi.
Issue we
this is a major contribution. Okay say World Cup squad list bam catch say eh twin na mo bi ade nya. Na me pese me chire nsem because I chinanko Republic of Football for Abekasa akwa we dey all teto onko. Now, kwaku we our president kwaku dance no sabi. Enye say nka 60,000 come media chiri dey.
Yeah.
Okay, alpha na adjuma bedu case no.
Make I pa
involving Oliver Hatta.
Make I.
Obeka say na cha alpha.
Is it or the scaby bar say na iska team the person mutwe. And also allegedly.
Allegedly.
Yeah. Na or this is kind of be as ava catch and dabi onyanto was your no abe ba omo zo follow ye no na enye no kre na e no no was switch there no dey ba no
nti say am pass in the statement Euro Africa lawyer koka say transfer agreement be any ho 10% be any mu na say transfer agreement na chere somebody lied.
Yeah, will be a true.
Good. Secondly, Nekwaku Danso, is he has PhD?
Yes, that also PhD.
Kwaku Danso fetch call registrar of companies. Eko who say Euro Africa, any Eurosport now modeba board of directors near.
Wow.
In the registration.
Oh, okay.
To omudi kan ye omo ho adwuma was ro ansa na ebedru ha. And they had the precedence of Emmanuel Ajumambedu and Alpha same brekum. Say ebe guide you. Now, omudi 20,000, 10,000 ko Juliet or 10,000 ko Samim in town. On its way back to Accra, Oliver stopped over at Bichim. Tena se ne Kwaku Danso di komo to traffic just now. I would dance phone so. Yeah, ntino sebi impentem muatem. E fiechi ni abofno. Asem no ya kenwie. Etu nkotre de etre. Kasapa ma abato. Enkoda akra no ball na fe yenhwe so no mo. Mo anamo nti ase di nti akra no opija o Roma afi na okofom. There was a lot happening behind the scenes. And you must say no nima. Aya won't.
Abi job na there never man ise. The face the same problem with local scene. Obo say obi akofa player fi second division. Watono. But on for nisika man na
football ye corrupt sport. Make canonti. And nti na nyina esuro se ye de ehu bewuram no. Eye dog eat dog eye krono adwuma. Obi apeso sisi ne yonko. Obi anka no krancho. Football adwuma sa na ti masaja.
Sana football adwuma.
Yeah, the more I open football, the more na your time. Until you have to restrain yourself. Say, bebre football so bebre the football we do. Any wa kono biem.
Na me ba di when I see in Roma de no kwa no beja na cremonese move no so.
Now it would have to be established onward. And yet onward be my training and development. Teams our board.
There is a so koyo.
And here dance no adwuma nye adwuma. So tia.
You last be cry.
There tia no no. Sa na akoye. Tony Ebo na ti ye gola.
Yeah.
Antimi amo. Omo frustrate na ono ni also football na eden. I say. So I say. Now one of your most celebrated strikers, the Okani. With them say Football Republic President Cheney Diobekunu.
Oh, it is.
So I say. Tony Ebo ye gola na nkasa no. Abedipele on so na ni another so be ni biem. You guys should be worried about the future of our football. Your football not essay. Let's not even tanket into the BBR they showing the con. Your football na nkasa na essay. But they say they are sports.
Is it in your cry?
They are born. Yeah. Utu kwa sentence ni bin sema otini ni ehunu. Look, and people are bold now. People are emboldened to misbehave in our football. And only at the back why I am here. Jordan, are you? The day are you? Oma more local league ni bi.
Dabi.
Nani FC no kra no mo mbobi. So ti ase. Nti no mo ka kire say yenko hwe league na do ma say Bilbao na obo Iñaki Williams. Ghana league no mbobi. Na no ba holidays na ye bo wan ko hwe bi ama ye hu. So ti ase. Nanso mo ka no Ghana fo beti. Yemfa hwempo edro ensa nanta. Fasad go show trim. Some dream mo say the day you na ma Ghana fo akọ stadium a. Mo nunum ho na mo sere. Yeah.
Emfa.
Ye were Juma ye pa. Yeah, you took quite from we know what is happening. Ye were Juma yo. Ye were Juma ye papa. I spent part of my weekend with Ben Kluvi and Anafi to gauge before Kwaba Ebano. Nyoma Mobe. Ma ko baby any akore aduana ni Gold Stars. Esco member abe private business will be any. Oria no to nika ko. I bread aduana any Gold Stars elbow or Premier League match. One minute, now you say that you mum nebe any. Don't shirk responsibility. Mamum fasa di nkoshen kran kon. It's nice for the optics.
But we grab is na capito casa crying one
do baby as massa for the optics. Ejuma wo ho I was say ne clubs ne kabum na ye koye ehunya ye pa. The FA must partner these clubs to do that. Na me ojidi say ebe Bono Region Division 2 no omo the centers aba so hu.
Omo the centers aba.
Aye.
Aye ko dey.
Yeah, Kobo Division 2 Middle League oh.
Na mo no bi ma ba wi omo Kobo Middle League.
So hu. Je se yen kwa de bebi efiri ni de. De bia obebe adwuma no na omo so ayomadwen so omo be gu anim ase.
Ah. Oh, bo league mbo yo the centers aba se ye.
Na me ko kan. Se akoka so a. Boy. Nti sisi de kwan a mode me nam so pai. Nti mu gidi se me na mo ye me anase hwan na mo ye no. Ah, I just say my dream wa kwaku de ma me kan let na me sorry nko. Now they foul. Callers no mo so on my children sem because na with the hill. Francis soon as I let her know. Francis Ankama. June 5. Let's say run. Commencement of the 2022-2023 Bruno Ahafo Regional Football Association Division 2 Middle League. The Bruno Ahafo Regional Football Association extends its compliments. The above named subject matter refers. In view of that, we are pleased to inform you that the 2022-23 Bruno Ahafo Regional Football Association Division 2 Middle League commences on Monday, June 12, 2023. Kindly find the selected game centers below. Ohinameya Park, Techiman. Anafosu Jabo Park, Bechim. Debibi Presby Park, Debebi. Nana Kromansa Park, in Suatre. Please be informed that the semi-final and final matches of the Middle League shall be played on the 16th and 18th of June, respectively. Again, all qualified clubs for the upcoming Middle League are mandated to pay a non-refundable participation fee of 1,500 Ghana cedis through the Regional Football Association Momo Merchant Number. All qualified clubs are to know that deadline for payment of the participation fee is 5 p.m. on Thursday, June 8. In the event that any qualified club fails to pay the participation fee by the deadline, the second place club in the zone shall be offered the opportunity to replace the first club upon payment of the participation fee by the second place club. The Regional Football Association wishes all competing Division 2 clubs the very best of luck. Kindly treat as urgent and act accordingly. Thank you. Francis Ankama.
I didn't even for na qualifier.
Omonfa list number. Omonfa mre. Na se mini 1,500 Ghana. Ya wada. Do this second mum never. Inti mu de say your region. Inti odi
you all have a five call us 0554931931 0548931931 Udi any baby out for you. Yes sir.
You my channel pay you.
Oh Major Chairman.
Only a cross with him catch a free Jesus.
Asuma go.
And pay. Yamma basona ya catching a coupon shamu boy mapa. Ya menchia 2025 na for chala kwete maten. You chala pay mamenchia lea Jordan kwete na boss from. Also to parliamentary now the football said the move boss on no me koso a the football dey nya dey enko you I don't know make sense and drop for your football say o ma yin na yen so le say the meeting dey born football no exam national play football no fast person there the to ko na yen na say say be dimi no so we play football man ya kono o ti mu kwa for jay and na na yen say say ko school no after ko be bia na ti mu ko wake up.
Mante, made out say power, dear baby Alfrefi.
Abu your pony.
Your boy uncle.
Abu Merencham near Mamma Basna, Mobile. Abu Tanya, may have been kind. Everything had a annual June. Between two clubs of Mukobo Middle League. Mata will be a yard. No can I make an 80 a month will be 3 and qualifier, but Abu Raman fan on tour. Abu is a couple for Marathon Quamudia. Nami had my money. Yeah, me coaching and me trucking and me for here, Juma or hopefully, if you are training, the same again, and I just about be Abu, house of folk. I wanted to be a last season. In Yami Aduma this weekend, your course support me shut a free me say on shout of hook, mammy. Abu and Kupon Wegba.
Monte, Medal, so dear baby Alfrefi.
Abu Dhabi.
Yes, sir.
I only have Solomon here. I can't say one family.
Solo me too.
From Powasa to say what Mamma Bedana. Mamma more only ever you're putting in Abaso. Mamicha, the vice president of Talaji Mahmoud Bawamia. Abu Dhabi, Kakame can say, oh, share your football here. They see the day football no corner. Abu Dhabi can send you for more money to my. They never say you. What I say, Tempen Pony had the answer for Mokoka. No, Master Monogo Moso, some more than Japan Motion Mokosio, them to be an Amoka, and so one of them at football. I'm a football now, and the message and job for Mokomanum. They say, be a football no corner. They say, League the BS3. But here is a bit of them on Mapu, who shall to focus the year. The Beckham take a couple of shots of Operation of Cordian. My tape water a Kazaha, I think to make a legume, has a call of Regatia M1. I think I see a fire on him. And the most of most on it, then the money Simonaso.
Mate made us a power, dear baby Alfrefi.
Abu Buddha.
Yes, sir.
Abu Elephant. Last
Mate made us a power, dear baby Alfrefi.
Abu Yabo Cordes.
Memory upon house.
We'll call it a feeding corner. And the mechanic said, I am cooking in for so because the coach said you know half of this corner and say there for the commission. You measure one day. You know, for so beautiful here before. As a first, and now, if I can't fit in for 2007, yeah, Bob Ma, that's what they wouldn't find about the before. And no, we are going to say about it. It's one number come once and it's the more what you have said. Good morning, the Kuya man.
Monty Mensomeda, so dear baby Alfrefi.
In a parker. Who to me said, in the yard, the accidents. No, and so you're welcome. Then over all power share bono. On to name another football fan and small funster. And I'm a bomb by the heart and co eradication because also Dana Fuboma or Madana Fubo near it. And yet, in Tina or much on the Bonamu, no more co eradication. That's it.
Monty made us a member with Chaton, I chat to Dini baby Alfrefi. Hello.
Hello.
I want to chat to Dini baby Alfrefi.
Dear Mr. Michael Tafui.
Mike, me do.
For example, I don't want to talk about the number. Men, of course, maybe until so, but not putting so down there. Maybe be a workout bit more about of a number. Now, today, I would get one for one out for Liga. I don't know. Say, you know, 1,500 no. And in the year move, yeah, the child and the year more. Yeah, and I'm much more cassette. Say, what went to make it from a replacement team? Never replace a face team.
Mate, made us say, young fan Pima, young call. Now news at 12 in Ramon Farmer, Sompa, 93.1 Kumasi, Sompa 98.9 Sunyane, and Sompa 90.7 and Kranza. The Omodi news, you know, to us, baby, we are 3 to 4. Shoot out on us na Yababi didn't come out on.
Onitin be a poor, o poor ya one poor ni kwao, or the energy and in cransha. Abrabo mo futu. Yam sumu ani da so, a de energy a bro ni penina.